this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel scheduled calls on WhatsApp Business. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. On my previous video, I've shown you how to schedule call on your WhatsApp Business. But now, for some reason you want to cancel this scheduled call? How to do it? Can we do it? Of course. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp Business, and you can open on the contact that you just sent the scheduled call. This, for example. And you can just tap on edit event. You'll find there is an option cancel event. You can just tap on that. Are you sure you want to cancel this? Maybe if you just want to change the time, you can just change the time. But if you really want to change, you want to delete it, you want to cancel it, you can just tap on cancel, tap on yes, tap on continue. So now you have canceled the scheduled call on your WhatsApp Business, so WhatsApp will not remind you when it's time to start the call. It's very simple, right? So that is how to cancel scheduled call on WhatsApp Business. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.